My first impression when I met Isabelle is she was a very sweet, caring individual. She's always shown compassion towards others as well and interest in others as well. I remember the first lesson and her hand was constantly up asking questions or asking for further detail on specific topics or subjects within the first lesson, and it's like she wanted to always know more of what was coming next, what she needed to do to improve, where she could do something better, and that was just within the first lesson itself. And then from there, she's obviously flourished.
My mum, she works in the health and social care sector. She's a midwife, and I've grown up around her telling me all this stuff about what happens, and it inspired me to want to work within the healthcare sector. I like to help people, and I think I could make a difference within the NHS.
Isabelle went along to the Bradford Royal Infirmary and she undertook work placement on the maternity ward there, and that's seen Isabelle grow hugely in confidence. She's learnt to deal with a whole range of different situations. She's learnt to deal with adults in very formal situations, to deal with adults in pain. She's learnt about problem solving, about excellent communication, and she's in a really, really good place now to progress into next year, and I know she's really excited about going back on placement. She's already talking about how she'd like to go back to the hospital again and to gain more experience. We know with our students who go out on placement that the way in which they develop and the way that they grow is so much quicker than students who do a traditional A-level curriculum.
Isabelle was a fantastic student. She worked on one of our maternity wards, M4, alongside multiple midwives, maternity support workers and healthcare assistants. Throughout her entire placement, there was not a single bad word of feedback. She was an exemplary student. She embedded our trust values of we care, we value people, and we are one team in everything that she did. We couldn't have asked for anything more from a work experience student, really.
The best experience, I got to watch a live C-section, which is really good. I felt very fortunate because not a lot of people my age get to witness that. I got to find out many stuff while I was watching because I was with this midwife and she was explaining the stuff that was going on, and I was asking questions also at the same time. So I knew what was happening.
Few students were struggling to find placement, and Isabelle, with her connections in health and social care, was able to actually help other students with gaining placement for themselves, to help gain their hours, to ensure that they could pass the course for the year. It just shows how much of a caring individual she was. She actually did that of her own accord, which was amazing. Isabelle would be working on 3 units and she would get to the point where she's actually completed those units and then was asking all 3 tutors at the same time, can you give me the next units of work, please? So she's always been ahead of the game in regards to her work within college. She's become very much a top learner within her class, and everyone goes to her for advice in regards to the work and what they should do next. She's already displaying some of those skills that you need in health and social care at such a young age as well. And compassion she has for the industry in itself, like you can see it within her written work as well. Like she's using examples from her placement, she's using examples from industry. It's like she's already there doing it.
In the future, once I finish this level 3 qualification, I would like to go to Leeds University to study midwifery for my career, and then hopefully I'll become a midwife in the future.
Isabelle has absolutely committed herself. She's excelled in all of her assignments, but I think that the biggest thing is the way that she's looked after herself, the way she's looked after her classmates. I can see a great future ahead for Isabelle. She's got all the qualities that you would want of somebody who works in the care sector, and I'm sure she'll have a fantastic future ahead of her.
Special privilege to present one of these awards to the local student, Isabelle Fazackerley, awarded the NCFE Learner of the Year Award. You didn't know, did you?
No.
You are an incredible student.
Thank
Level
you.
3 Health and Social Care. An incredible achievement. Massive congratulations.